No, it's making a video. So, your bacon makes you fat?
Yeah, because there's so much grease in it.
Then, guys, never
There's
eat
a big dog, Dylan.
What?
That dog.
Oh, guys, can you see that?
That is a big dog.
Did you see that, guys? Oh, you did. How? How?
That's a big dog, too.
Yeah. Some dogs can be taller than humans.
There's a dog, when I've seen bigger than that, on freaking Facebook my mom showed me. It was huge, and it was so big, it jumped on top of the fridge and got the dog treats.
It did some parkour.
Basically, yeah.
Like, without getting on the counter?
No, he just scratched his legs up and grabbed them somehow. He didn't pick them up with his hands, but he knocked them over.
Like this, right? Like this, right?
Yeah, like that.
Like this?
How many likes do you have on YouTube?
I have no idea. And I can't even show you.
Why?
I have no internet. Unless we go to Tim Hortons. Can we go to Tim Hortons? So I can show him. So I can show him.
Dylan.
Wait, likes on other YouTube videos?
You're like, who do you like this? What's your YouTube name?
Batman, but you gotta put Batman space, Batman, both of the B's are uppercase. And then you go, then,
What is it? What is it? Double Batman?
yeah, Batman, and then
Batman space Batman.
with uppercase. And then go, and then put craziness. Then put craziness. Okay?
Yeah.
If you want to watch my video, you could be in some. Are you gonna subscribe?
Probably.
If you are as well, come to the Gratitude Relay for Life. It's Friday on the
You should.
Exhibition Day. Share
We'll
the
see.
Survivor Social and do a
Yeah,
victory.
Sh-
Wear proof that cancer
No, not
can be
slash.
beat.
Space.
Someone you love is doing
Batman
Call
space
Mary their name
Batman.
and light the way to life
Craziness.
without cancer. Contact your local cancer society
Space
office
craziness,
or visit
then
relayforlife.ca. and search for
space
info. The Gratitude Relay
crazy.
for Life, sponsored by Remax Group 4 Realty.
If you don't get it,
Why
what?
didn't you just name your freaking thing The Flash?
Why?
Dennis an easier name, or like, or the crime fighter, something.
Service and financing staff, and have your expectations exceeded.
There's someone on YouTube, like, I don't know if he's still on it anymore, but his name was like
Check out the multiple award-winning lineup of new and used vehicles
Crazy
at
Fart, something like that, right? Weird. He has such a weird name. Didn't even match his videos. He only did videos. He went around talking to people
I think
and
so.
asked them what their favorite colors, their favorite
We should
food,
do the co-op
their
placement
favorite
at Dr.
color,
Reinhardt's
like,
office.
everything.
Why didn't we talk about that
Why?
when you were going to
Because
high
that was-
school? You
that was
always
his
liked going to
videos.
Dr. Reinhardt.
You know I gotta follow my own dreams.
And where exactly are those dreams taking you these days, boy?
Well, you know. Talk more about that later. Dr. Reinhardt's office. Specialty practice in orthodontics and periodontics. On Dundonald
I'll
Street
turn
in
this one on
Fredericton and Commerce
YouTube.
Drive in Armagh.
Cool.
Find them on Facebook.
Hi, I'm Gerald Story, owner of Ultimate
We gotta
Windows and
name this
Doors.
YouTube video.
If you've dreamed about transforming
That's
your
the
home,
hard part.
nothing makes a bigger impact than new Marvin Windows and Doors.
The
Marvin
drive
is
in
a
the
company
van.
with a heritage
The
of
drive in the
craftsmanship and innovative products to make unforgettable
drive.
impressions. Marvin's virtually unlimited
drive?
selection of styles, shapes, and sizes will help bring your vision to life. Dream big, Marvin Windows and Doors, built around you.
Get inspired at Ultimate Windows and Doors. 625 Allison Boulevard, your local Marvin dealer.
Hi, I'm Brian Green of Green's Auto Parts. Our family has been keeping families moving with the right part, right price for 56 years. A lot has changed in the automotive world over those 56 years, and Green's has changed right along with it. So whether you want a used part or a new part, make Green's Auto Parts your first call. Visit our auto parts stores, 2079 Woodstock Road, or online. You can trust the Green family. for
What
all
do
your auto
you
parts
want
needs.
to talk about?
Your local Guardian pharmacist really
All those
knows
people
how
down
to
there
guard your
biking.
good health.
What?
Return your expired prescription medicine to us before June 30th, 2016
Stop
and get a Guardian
doing
gift card or
that.
loyalty
Something what?
points. Limit one transaction per person. Offer varies per store location in Nova Scotia.
That's gay.
Guardian. Better starts here.
Stop doing what? Who, where, what, you, what?
Bookkeeping. Tax time next year
Stop
doesn't
being
have
gay.
to be stressful.
What am I being
This year, get your bookkeeping in
She's
order
saying
before
eat
you're
pig.
ready.
Oh,
Check out
Oh,
your insurance.
don't. It's my pig.
Yeah.
TV
You laughed though. Oh my god.
What?
You guys just hear us laugh?
No.
Don't make me tickle you. Thank you. He's a chipmunk. Ah!
You'll never get it.
Where's my pig?
I have no idea. Probably under the seat. Oh, man. Yeah, man. Oh, can we get chicken wings? Chicken wings. I don't know what chicken wings.
Understand everything costs money.
Someone, the separate things would have free with the free symbol on it.
Yeah.
Go up to someone like, is this free? No. Okay, it's free. Bye.
Yeah. Then just scratch it out, and then put free in it. Like FREE.
No, that's bad.
Can I play at his house while you're gone?
You have to sit in the car, put your tablet and make videos.
Yeah, I don't want to do that. I want to make videos.
These
at
girls
your
are
house.
always down on my house. Honk the horn, don't move.
The fucking side, please.
Honk!
I'm not gonna honk.
Watch it. There's a dog in her oh, it's a fake dog. I thought it was a real dog for a second.
In her shoe?
In her shirt.
That's a real dog. Everyone is outside. Is your dad here?
Oh.
See ya. See ya.
Never, whatever I want.
Hey guys, I don't know what I'm doing right now.
I almost got through this. They took fucking that. What are you using? You shouldn't have fucking said yes. I want to get cigarettes. Well, I still need cigarettes.
Dad, you're not allowed to buy them.
Dylan, don't start, please.
You don't have no money.
Do you think I'm gonna... Anyways, Dylan.
Okay. See you guys. Bye. Wait.